Hello crafty friends. Today I want to share with you guys um, like the craft of the day, and I finished painting this Frida Kahlo painting kit. I bought it at Michael's. I don't know how long ago, but yeah, it's been in my stash for quite some time now, and there is like a guide of like telling you what colors to use and all of that right here, but I just try to do it my own. Those I didn't paint them white. That is not blue, but yeah. And behind it here, it came with the palette, brushes, and the paint, Artist Loft. But I used the other brand, oh, I forgot the name, the basic brand acrylic paints. And yeah, and then I just outlined everything with a black illustration pen, I believe it's called. But yeah, that's, you can tell there how it came out, and I just loved how it came out. Love everything about it. And yeah, I haven't gone to like painting classes, but I was like, I have a bunch of kits here that I can just paint. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and this is the craft of the day. Thank you. Bye.